Hi, welcome back to my channel Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how to get high CPM up to $100 CPM on Adsterra. It's an Adsterra tricks on how to get high CPM. So and today if today is your first time visiting my channel Bizyjoe.com, do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I post an awesome video like this. So and also at Bizyjoe Technology, we offer some great services such as web design, app design, and SCM and graphic design, a whole lot of them. So you can contact us on any of these services above. So let's me go over to Adsterra and show you how you can increase your CPM. You can increase your CPM. So this is my new Adsterra account that I just created not too quite a long. So and I just added this particular domain name. You can watch the video. I upload a video on Adsterra, how to sign up on Adsterra. So this is the particular domain name that I just added. So let me go to statistics. Let me go to statistics and see. So this particular domain, there's nothing here. So then let me open another. Let me show you something. This is another blog. This is another blog. Let me see the statistics. So for this particular blog, for this blog, I've been gotten yesterday. I got on the 17th, on the 16th. I got more than 15,000 impressions. So the CPM for this particular listing, let me see let me show you the placement. Let me show you the placement. The placement, okay, let me choose this 300 by this particular. So for I got 7,000 impressions. Are you seeing in this particular placement? I got 7,000, more than 7,000 impressions. So the CPM of this particular type of placement is 0.16, although the CPN is not stable. There is not a fix. It depends on the location and all other things. So this is the CPM. So let me show you another placement, another format. We have 728 by 90. This particular placement, let me apply it and show you the CPM also. The CPM of this one is even lower. You understand it? The CPM is even lower. The CPM is even lower. Then let me show you another one. Then let me show you, we have direct link. We have direct link. So the CPM for this direct link, the CPM is, this one is 1 point. So direct link have high CPM. Are you seeing it? The CPM are always high. So let me go to website and show you. So let me go to site. Let me go to site and show you something, a quick one. Those art formats. I just want to show you the art formats and which one to add on your blog. So let me go to add codes. So this pop under, the CPM is always high. This pop under, the native banner, it has very low CPM. The CPM are very low. This pop under is the CPM are always high, but I don't add that. On this my blog now, this is a new, I didn't have any pop under this thing there because of the user experience. So that's why I don't add this pop under. I already have another network company that I'm already taking the ad side, the slot there. So then another one is this 300 by 250, 3 by 250, the CPM on for banners. When adding for this banner, we have the banner that we have is we have 6 banners. Apart from the native banner, all this native banner, the CPM is low. So we have 6 banners. These things are banners, banner sizes. So in these banner sizes, 300 by 250 size is the highest, the CPM is highest. So then the social bar has high CPM, the pop under has high CPM, then the next is direct length. So if you want to increase your CPM, so let me go back to direct links. I created a direct link. So that's how I increase my CPM. So let me show you statistics. This is just, I think I created this direct link yesterday. Yeah, I think it's yesterday. I created a direct link yesterday. So see the CPM. The CPM of this is 4 point something CPM. The CPM is 4 point something. So and this is what I just created yesterday. It's not even up to 7 days. So then how do you apply this direct link? Direct links, you just get in direct links. Let me go back. So you can create a direct link. If you want to create that, it's very easy. It's very easy. Let me go to add new direct link. If you want to add new direct link, you just click on add new direct link. They will create it. It's very easy. So let me copy this particular direct link. So I'll go to my website. If I want to integrate this on my website, so let me go to website that I've integrated that. Let me go to Bizyjoe. Okay. Okay, sorry. Let me go to Bizyjoe. Yeah, this website now. Let me go here. So and you see how I integrated this direct link depending on the kind of thing or what you are blogging on. If you are blogging on music, those places that you have a button to download, click here to download, you smartly insert your direct link so that people can click on that direct link and they want to download it. So let me this I'm blogging on sports. I'm blogging on sports. So let me open this particular and you see how I apply this direct link on my own blog. So what I do is I know that my football fans, they like watching football videos, maybe highlights, training, all this particular training. See this thing now, this particular image here contains direct link. If I just click on it, are you seeing it? It's avoiding to the Adsterra direct link. Do you understand? So you can add a video thumbnail. You can add a video thumbnail. You can add a video thumbnail and smartly insert your direct link there. You can smartly even this one contain a direct link. You understand? So if you're a music blogger, maybe if you want them to download, if you have a content that they can download, you can smartly insert that direct link. So once you have copied that, if you want to insert this, so let me go to post and show you how you can insert this direct link on your post. So let me go to post. So okay, let's assume, okay, this particular image now, if I want to add direct link to this image, what I need to do is that once I click on this particular image, once I click on this image now, I've already highlighted this image. I'll go to insert links. Once I click on insert link, you see this is the image source. Okay, this is already contained. What I need to do, I'll just clean it. I'll paste my direct link there. As you can see, I've already added my direct link. This is my direct link there. Then I've already inserted my direct link. So if you can still confirm, and click on that, highlight this, then click on what's happening. Okay, okay. So if I still want to add this, maybe I want to add this, maybe I add a direct link on this. Just add your direct link in so many places. I'll just click on link. I'll click on this control V. I've already added a direct link to this particular. Then you can add a download button. You can go to Google, just click on, if you have any material that you want them to download, you can just click on download button. So once you click on download button, once you click on download button and then you download any image, or you can click here to download. Just search on Google, click here to download button. So you can just click on this message or any message. So once you upload that on your particular post, then you smartly put that direct link on them, so that when people click on it, it will read them. But it's taking them, one side effect about this is that it will take people out of your blog. You know that when people click on it, it will direct them out of your blog. So that's how to increase your CPM. You increase it using direct link, or another way is to do that is to use Popunder. But I don't always add Popunder on my site. I don't add Popunder on my site because when you add Popunder on your site, by default they will be directing people out of your website. That's, yeah, I've experienced that. When you add pop under social listing, social ad, by default, when somebody click on anything on your blog, it will direct them out of your blog. That smartly inserting that code on your blog. So while doing that, but pop under ad gives you, they have high CPM. So that's how you can increase your CPM on Adsterra. So if you find any value in this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. So thanks for watching this video.